You could actually manifest the things that you want into your life by trying less. Because the more that we are in the state of not having, the more that we lack the things and push them away from us. And most times we are focused on how to manipulate an event or things to change in our lives for us to feel all right because of our programming. But when you learn to let it all go, you can actually tune into the frequency of love and gratitude for your current life, for where you're at right now. And the more that you are in a state of loving yourself, loving life, the more that you give everyone around you and the things that you would like to attract into your life the permission to actually be in alignment with your vibration. But the more that we are stuck in a negative frequency, in the line of time, the character that doesn't have, that lacks, that's not making enough money, that doesn't have the best girlfriend or boyfriend, that doesn't have enough people messaging me to make me feel like I'm attractive, the more that the universe is going to send you the frequency of the same things appearing. And the less that you focus on what you don't have and start loving and start allowing the flow of love, your creative energy, and finding your life purpose, the more gratitude you're going to feel, the more that you feel of gratitude, the more things that are sent your way. Because the universe sees you as not someone who's trying to manipulate the outside to get your needs met. You're someone who accepts the current timeline that you are in. And you start to embody the person that acts, thinks, and feels as the person that you would like to be or that you're inspired by. And you become equal to them. And the universe cannot deny you of these assumptions because you create them. It is not because a certain person has texted us, a certain amount of money has come to life, a raise at work or a change of career has happened, and now you're finally great. That is a means to an end that you were creating, and when you achieved it, now you can feel happy. But then the next day, or even 3 hours later that day after you've achieved that, you've gone back to the lack. You've gone back to the manipulating. A man or woman is a sum of their learned experiences. So we have to control the outer world for us to feel good about our lives. And when you can learn to observe that we do have preferences. Everything that we hate, everything that we love is all in accordance to what has happened to us in our past. And we're not willing to let it go and let the flow of love naturally flow through the body. The flow of things that will manifest into your life to naturally align with you. You are stuck having to control events for your wholeness and your completeness to be mirrored to you that you're good enough now. But when you let go of it and you start to take action and you start to feel love for your life and you start to give love to the things that you're working on, you start to have fun, you start to find a different passion for your life and for others around you without needing a single thing from them, and not allowing into your field people who disagree with you, people who make you feel lack, people who make you feel angry, because those are all negative states that are in accordance to all of our some experiences leading to this present video you are watching. And when you let go of it it becomes a very powerful tool to live your life with gratitude. Because gratitude is putting you into a state of receivership. You are allowing God's energy to enter the body. The divine will flow through you and all around you, empower your life, and all of your creative ideas will just come to you. And you'll stop obsessing about the things that are making you feel lack, that are making you feel not good enough. And you will start to apply yourself on projects that will create great things for you. And these projects could lead to a great amount of money to come into your life. It could lead to you getting an opportunity to change careers and actually be in alignment with the life that you envision for yourself. But when you continue to manifest and have to affirm to yourself 1,000,000 times a day, or wake up, I need to affirm. And I'm not saying affirmations and meditations are bad, because you guys are a witness to a person that changed my whole personality, and my reality was in accordance with the personality I changed. And I changed a year or two prior to everything coming to life. And now it has come to life. It's very powerful. I don't have to force events. I don't have to control things on the outside of me. I don't have to chase after approval and validation from people who made me feel like I was not worthy. I learned to embody the present moment. I learned to tune into my own body. When I do those meditations, I have learned to live as an abundant human being, an abundant man. And all of the wealth that I have attracted to my life, abundance is not just money. Abundance is the community. Abundance is me willing to make videos because I love to do this, because I have fun. And I get to live the life that I have dreamed for myself every day. And I get to apply myself on my creative ideas because I make space in my life for myself to do that. And great things come to me when I'm not looking for them. And when I stopped analyzing, when I stopped chasing after certain things for me to finally feel good or enough or attractive, everything on the outside of me mirrored back to me that I am successful, that I am attractive, that I do make enough money in a year to do the things that I love and teach others to live this way. So that's what I mean about the character building. That's what I mean about stopping manipulating and letting go of the sum of your learned experiences that created what you like and what you dislike. And learn to move in a direction where you're going to attract the life that will be in alignment for you, because you will love the life. You will stop controlling the life and everything around you, and stop creating means to an end. And the self-sabotage that comes with not achieving the things that you put your focus on, and just loving the process, loving being in a flow state and coming up with new ideas when things aren't working. Because that is where you're going to tune into your true power, which is to be yourself. And when you are yourself unapologetically, you will attract people who love the real version of you. So thank you for watching this one. See you on the next one.